Sometimes plants show subtle signs before a bigger problem develops. One possible factor behind this condition is Spodoptera frugiperda. Some of the signs you might notice are the larvae of the fall armyworm cause significant damage because they can eat all parts of the plant. Initially, the young larvae feed on leaf tissue on one side of the leaf, not touching the epidermis of the other side, eating in patches. They may eat seedlings until the shoots and branch buds are destroyed. As they grow, the larvae leave the eaten leaf patches and attack other leaf margins, leaving trails of their droppings. They can also eat the base of the plant and attack reproductive parts and young fruit. In heavily infested plants, the leaf-eating larvae can cause severe defoliation. This issue may develop due to factors like the moths of this leaf-eating caterpillar lay about 100 to 300 clusters of eggs stuck together on the underside of the leaves. The eggs are often covered with scales. When they hatch, the larvae are light brown or dark green, with stripes running along their sides and a yellow line running along their backs. When they transform into butterflies, they have translucent white hindwings and brown forewings with varying shades of stripes and spots. Each forewing has a faint white spot at the tip, making them easily recognizable. Diet and temperature are factors that determine the length of the different developmental stages in their life cycle. A cool, humid spring, followed by a hot, humid climate, is favorable for the life cycle of this caterpillar species. You can start with gentle or natural methods such as natural enemies of leaf-eating caterpillars include parasitic wasps such as Cotesia marginiventris, Chelonis texanus, and C. remus. The most common parasitic fly is Archetus marmoratus. Predators such as beetles, spiny bugs, flower bugs, scientific name Aureus insidiosus, birds, and rodents. Biological insecticides that can be used include neem extract, Bacillus thuringiensis, or baculovirus Spodoptera. Spinosad or azadirachtin compounds can also be sprayed. For corn, placing red sand, rock salt, coal dust, or ash dust around the flower petals can prevent and kill larvae, with efficacy of 100%, 98%, 90%, and 80% respectively. Spraying Loda Pichu extract achieves 80% effectiveness. If needed, stronger treatments may include: always consider a combination of preventative and biological treatments where applicable. Recommended insecticides include esfenvalerate, chloropyrifos, malathion, and lambda cyhalothrin. Farmers should use poison baits made from these insecticides to kill adult larvae. To help reduce the chances of recurrence, plant varieties with high pest resistance. Regularly observe for caterpillars and use lights or insect traps, 10 per hectare, to catch them en masse. Plant early to avoid the caterpillar population reaching its peak. Control weed growth. Harvest early to avoid excessive damage. Deep plow the soil to expose larvae and pupae to high temperatures. In general, young larvae feed on leaf tissue from one side of the leaf, not the other. They may feed on seedlings until the shoots and branching buds are destroyed. As they grow, the larvae leave the eaten leaf patches and attack other leaf margins. They also attack the reproductive parts of the plant and young fruit. Follow for more helpful plant care insights.